Welcome to Frugal Insights. In this video, we're discussing credit report errors and how to fix them. Your credit report plays a significant role in your financial health, and errors can have serious consequences, such as denied credit applications or higher interest rates. First of all, let's discuss what credit report errors are. These errors can occur due to incorrect information, identity theft, or mistakes by creditors. Common errors include inaccurate personal info, such as incorrect name, address, or date of birth. Accounts that aren't yours, including debts or accounts you don't recognize. Incorrect account info, such as wrong credit limit, payment history, or account status. Now, we will discuss how to check your credit report. You can request a free credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus once a year through and review your report carefully and identify any errors. Now, let's talk about disputing errors. If you find an error, dispute it with the credit bureau. You'll need to provide documentation to support your claim, such as proof of identity, proof of address, account statements, or payment records. The credit bureau will investigate and correct the error if necessary. Tips for fixing credit report errors. Here are some tips for fixing credit report errors. Be thorough. Document all correspondence and evidence. Be patient. It may take 30 to 60 days to resolve the issue. Follow up. Check your report after the dispute is resolved to ensure the error is corrected. Consider contacting a credit counselor or financial advisor for guidance. By knowing how to fix credit report errors, you can protect your credit score and financial health. Thanks for watching Frugal Insights. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more personal finance tips and advice.